strong.
Welcome back to Learn with Arjun. I was going through the comments in the previous videos. Thank you so much for the encouragement. And hold on. Wait. Did you guys subscribe to my channel? No? If you didn't, you have to subscribe because there's many interesting things coming to my channel. So happy Halloween to everyone who's celebrating Halloween now. And I made a game with the theme Halloween. It is very spooky. Now the game is, if you wake up in the middle of the night and found yourself in an alien planet filled with aliens, you just have one gun to save yourself. What are we gonna do? So it's us versus the aliens. Let's go into it. So now we're in the house. This is where we start. Okay, these must be my shelves. So there's pretty much nothing in this house other than these shelves. So anyway, get out of here. I think I see two aliens. Oh my god, look at that! And that. That was cool. That alien just jumped from that island as if it has the control of gravity. And destroy this, right? No, can't do that. Not fair. I can destroy this. Yes, I can. Whoa. Oh my god, that guy is actually Spider-Man. He's jumping like anything. Oh, where'd he go? He was just here. So let's check the other warehouse. Okay, we have a gun scattered and whoa, where's the floor? Why would the aliens even want the floor? I can't take any of. Whoa, wait a minute. What's over here? Oh my god, it's gold. Can I take the gold? I can't. I thought I could use that to destroy the aliens. Okay, I think I spotted two aliens. One here. Okay, that one is gone. And the last one. Okay, I see one here still. He gained back his life again. How do you do that? He's gone. One more alien to go. The alien should be here. Alien, where are you? They should be here. Where did that alien even go? Okay, he's definitely over there. I see him! Boom. And now I call this a victory! Yahoo! I won! Now this is just part 1 of the game. I'll also make part 2 of the game, and that'll be more interesting with more aliens and more creatures. So for now, bye!
Strong.